We always start with spot stain removal, from salts to solids, from biological to boots, from oil to, oh no. We want to analyze what type of stain we might have and address that first. We always make sure we discipline the area of the pavement to keep any muddy boots off the surface. Using Blades Direct saws and Easy G dust hog, keeping dust from cutting off the surface, and a broom to keep it free of any construction debris and biological stains from trees in the environment. Once we've made that determination, we look at our substrate. What is the type of material that we're cleaning? These are HD2 slabs by Techo-Bloc. That means high definition and density dry cast units. From there, we have to look at any overall staining. I see a little bit of efflorescence and some mineral deposits from the heavy rains that we got. Now, how do I know the difference? Efflorescence disappears when wet. The white is gone when wet. I know it's gonna weather off with traffic and just being in the environment. If I can still see the white stains, I know I need to use a cleaner to go after them. What are my options? I could start with a 210 surface cleaner, 2010 surface cleaner. That's kind of a detergent on steroids. The light duty concrete cleaner is gonna go after that efflorescence well. The 600, which is what we used, took down the efflorescence and knocked down the mineral deposits. We used it as a 6-to-1 ratio in a pump sprayer. Our next step is to determine what type of protectant we're gonna use. Now, a protectant is breathable, it's penetrating, it's water repellent, it's mineral repellent, it's repellent to biologicals and foodborne stains. It's breathable, so water can't get in, but water vapors can get out, like all those characteristics. The difference between it and a sealer traps out water, that's good, but it also traps water in. So you could get a bloom underneath, and that's tough to tackle. The only time I use sealers is on pillar caps, wall caps, that kind of application where I have a lot of air circulation. What are my options with protectants? I could use something concentrated, a water-based, that can take 1 gallon and turn it into 20 gallons. I could step up to a Salt Guard WB. That is a great go-to, one of my favorites. I could go to a Paver or color enhancer, which adds a little bit of pop. Then I look at the SL100 because our clients are gonna be entertaining a lot and there'll be a lot of foodborne and liquid stains in this area. That's gonna help repel them the best. They still need to keep it clean, but that will help resist those stains the best. Now, these are water-based products. So water-based products, one thing that's very important to understand, you can't add more of them on something that's water repellent. We have a tendency to think that we just put some on, well, let's put some more on. That's gotta be better. Can't add a water-based product to a water repellent. So less is more in most of these cases. Be careful. Once we're done on the surface of the pavement, our pillars and our walls, we're gonna get 5 to 7, 7 to 10 years life on our deck, and on vertical planes, 10+ years.